Since time immemorial, humanity has grappled with the profound enigma of ultimate truth. Philosophers, theologians, and scientists alike have embarked on relentless quests to unravel the secrets of existence, seeking answers to life's most fundamental questions. What is the nature of reality? What is our place in the cosmos? Is there an objective truth, or is it merely a subjective construct? The pursuit of ultimate truth has captivated some of history's greatest minds. From Plato's theory of forms, which posits the existence of an unchanging realm of perfect ideas, to Immanuel Kant's transcendental idealism, which argues that our perception of reality is shaped by innate categories of understanding, the nature of truth has been a subject of endless debate and speculation. Yet, despite centuries of philosophical inquiry, the concept of ultimate truth remains elusive. Its very definition is hotly contested, with different schools of thought offering divergent perspectives. Some believe that ultimate truth is absolute and unchanging, while others argue that it is relative and context-dependent. The advent of artificial intelligence has added a new layer of complexity to this age-old philosophical puzzle. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, their ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns has led some to ponder whether they could hold the key to unlocking ultimate truth. At its core, AI is a tool that excels at identifying patterns and making predictions based on data. It functions by analyzing vast data sets, discerning correlations, and extrapolating trends. This ability has revolutionized fields ranging from medical diagnosis to financial forecasting, enabling us to make more informed decisions and solve complex problems. Machine learning, a subset of AI, empowers algorithms to learn from data without explicit programming. By training on massive data sets, these algorithms can adapt and improve their performance over time. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning, utilizes artificial neural networks to mimic the structure and function of the human brain, enabling AI to tackle even more intricate tasks. However, it is crucial to recognize that AI's prowess lies primarily in its ability to process and analyze information, not necessarily in its capacity for genuine understanding. AI systems excel at identifying patterns and predicting outcomes based on existing data, but they may struggle to grasp the underlying meaning or significance of the information they process. This distinction is crucial when considering AI's potential to uncover ultimate truth. While AI can undoubtedly provide valuable insights and expand our understanding of the world, it is essential to recognize the limitations inherent in its data-driven approach. The emergence of AI has sparked